Flexing our Linnea model here in Richdale, General Trias. Near the subdivision are Eagle Ridge and Gateway Business Park. Malapit lang din ito sa Dasma at Amadeo, Cavite. Ang ganda at ang laki ni Linnea, no? This is the actual turnover. Linnea has lot area of 100 square meters and floor area naman is 77 square meters. This is single attached, kaya may lupa ka sa paligid at wala kang kadikit. It has 2 toilet and bath and a provision for 3 bedrooms na kasya ang buong pamilya. Complete finish outside and open layout standard finish inside para mas maging affordable at ma-customize mo pa. Richdale is a pre-selling project of Axia Development Corporation, Pag-ibig most trusted and amongst top developer. Kaya worry-free ka dahil sure na matatayo ang bahay mo. Selling like pancake nga pala itong si Linnea dahil value for money na ay hulugan pa. For as low as 20,000 reservation, go for the big house ka na. Monthly down payment is 22,000 and monthly amortization naman is 26,000 plus. Linnea is ideal for starter or growing families na gustong mag-upgrade ng kanilang livable space dahil masikip na at lumalaki na ang mga babies. Bagay din ito sa ating mga kababayang OFW na gustong magpundar sa Pilipinas para sa kanilang vacation house, retirement house, or simply investment. Richdale is just 1 hour drive to airport and 27 minutes naman to Tagaytay via Calax. Naka-sliding window at naka-sliding glass door pa. High ceiling and you can just imagine kung anong magagawa mo dito sa space na ganito kalawak. In here is the provision for the kitchen. And sa likod, we have lot space for your service area or your garden area. Meron din tayo ditong mini sink sa likod. Napakaganda dito sa Richdale kasi theme park, amenities, maraming open spaces, at marami tayo ditong mga special amenities na ilalagay. Maganda din yung location nito kapag ka natapos na yung Calax, napaka-accessible na niya. Kung ikaw ay papunta ng Makati, ng Manila, papunta ka ng